I genuinely feel like one of the best gifts someone could gift me is a book, because I know I'm going to cherish it for a lifetime. In today's video, I'm going to be mentioning 5 books that I feel are totally worth gifting. I personally enjoy reading these books a lot, and I'm sure the person you're planning to gift is going to enjoy them as well. So the first book I'm going to mention is Persepolis. I have mentioned this book on my channel before, and I'm doing it again because it's that good. This book is a graphic novel written by Marjane Satrapi, wherein she talks about her life in Iran before and after the Islamic Revolution of 1979. The content of the book, it's just hilarious and thought-provoking at the same time. It is the kind of book that you could read over and over again and you would never get bored. The next book I'm going to talk about is Jasmine DS. This is an English translation of a novel written by Benyamin, aka Benny Daniel. The book is narrated from the point of view of Samira Parvin, who is an immigrant living in a Middle Eastern country, and how her life changes after a revolution takes place in the country, which is very similar to the real life revolution of the Arab Spring. The book is beautifully written and very emotionally stirring. The next book, it's a long one. The Extraordinary Journey of the Fakir Who Got Trapped in an Ikea Wardrobe. This is probably the only book I own where the entire plot of the novel is mentioned in the title itself. This book is about a fakir named Ajatashatru who travels from India to Paris in order to buy a bed of nails, and he somehow finds himself in really ridiculously funny situations. This book is funny, silly, witty, and very self-aware, and that's what makes it a really interesting read. The next book I'm going to mention is Truly Devious, which is a combination of a detective, crime thriller, and young adult novel written by Maureen. This book revolves around the protagonist Stevie Bell, who loves crime mysteries. She arrives at Ellingham Academy with a purpose of solving the mystery of Iris and Alice Ellingham, who are the wife and daughter of the founder of the academy, who went missing in the 1930s. The book ends on a very frustrating cliffhanger, but that's what makes it very interesting read as well, because you're desperately waiting for the second book. The second book is called The Vanishing Stair. I haven't read it yet, but I loved the first book so much that I'm surely going to buy the second one. Last but not the least is On the Come Up. This is the second novel written by Angie Thomas, who wrote the beautiful and very emotional The Hate You Give. This book presents the story of Brianna Jackson, a 16-year-old who desperately wants to make her mark in the world of rap music. A disturbing incident at school leads to her recording and uploading a very powerful rap, and soon enough she becomes viral. Even though it does give her the limelight that she's always dreamt of, it also takes away from who she truly is. And this kind of a conflict is what this whole novel is all about. This book is a very well-written one, and regardless of age, I'm sure anyone and everyone will enjoy it. And so with that, we come to the end of this video. If you guys like this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also let me know if you have gifted anyone any of these books and if they liked it. So with that, we come to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.